Hey everyone. So I do plan to move to a different state that snows within the next couple months. So I'm looking to trade in my front wheel drive Lexus RX 350. Ignore that it says front wheel drive on that side. And maybe get a Tesla Model Y. So I'm comparing just trading in the blue RX 350 for an all wheel drive one, or maybe getting something completely different like the Tesla Model Y. So I really do like my Lexus RX 350, but it is front wheel drive, so I am looking to get an all wheel drive option. But I had the 14 RX and the 18 RX, and if I do get the 21 RX, it's gonna feel like I'm getting into kind of the same car. I do love Lexuses. This channel is focused around Lexi the Lexus as a joke, but I don't know, the Tesla kind of looks appealing to me. Both cars have their benefits. They are both going to be priced right at around $50,000. I do plan on taking out like a 10-year loan. Since I am a student, I was saving up in college to help pay for medical school, but I have student loans that I could take to help pay off the tuition. Instead of putting a deposit on the tuition, I'd rather take out a student loan. Sounds dumb. Graham Stephan's going to be mad, and I'm just going to put a big down payment on a new car and just pay off the student loans later on. I feel like it's a dumb decision, but hey, it's my money. So what I'm about to say about the exterior and interior, they're both going to contradict each other. So I don't know how I'm going to answer this question, so I really want to get help from the comments. So I really love how the RX looks really aggressive and angular, and how it looks so like mean and aggressive and fast. But at the same time, I really like how the Tesla Model Y looks so soft and agile, but under the hood, it's super fast. Like it goes 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds compared to the RX all-wheel drive that goes to 60 in almost 8 seconds. So the Model Y is like twice as fast. So now let's talk about the interior. For me, I love how a luxury car has all these buttons, how it has like really quick touch controls for like AC. I don't have to click a screen to go through that. That's what I really loved about Lexus compared to like BMW or Mercedes, where you have to like go through a screen after screen to get to certain controls. But for me, I really like how the Lexus interior looks with all the buttons, with all the controls. For me, that's what a luxury car represents, having the option to have all these options. But at the same time, I love how the Tesla Model Y looks so clean on the inside. There's nothing cluttering the screen. It's just you and the screen that controls everything about the car. And I really do like that. But at the same time, I'm having a hard choice between, do I go for what I really like, or do I want to try something new? In life, you only live once, and so you should always try something new. I've never used a screen like that, and so I do plan on like test driving it to see how it's like. But it's just something really new to me that I'm not used to seeing just yet. So I think I maybe want to try it out, getting the clean aesthetic feel. But I'm not exactly sure which interior looks better because they both have their real benefits. Coming from a Lexus that's always on top of reliability, and going to a Tesla that was like ranked second to worst for reliability this year, it's kind of daunting about the longevity of cars. I like to keep cars for like hundreds of thousands of miles, right? That's what I've always done, and that's what I always loved. But here's some concerns that I kind of have about Tesla aside from the reliability, like the supercharging and charging the car in total. So this car does have 326 miles, but if I do charge it to 85% every time I supercharge, I feel like it's going to degrade the battery much faster than if I had a standard like at-home plug for the car. So I currently live in an apartment, and I plan to move to a new state and continue to live in an apartment. The school and the apartment complex do not offer any electric vehicle charging. So there is one supercharger in a 150-mile radius within where I plan to live. So once a week, I guess I could top off my car to 85% once a week, because the school and from where I live is about 85. It's about 30 miles a day that I'm gonna have to drive, and so once a week, I guess I could stop by the supercharger and top off. But it's only one for 150 miles. Here's kind of the route that I'm planning to move to. It's not the exact route, but I can go there and back without a problem. It's not a problem at all. But the problem is, while I'm staying there, There's literally only one supercharger for 150 miles around. There is one destination charger that's at a hotel, but it's only for customers of that hotel because I called and I asked them. So I'm kind of worried about what if that one supercharger is like down and I won't have anywhere to plug in for like 1 week. I can't drive 150 miles on a low battery that I was planning to recharge. And so that's kind of the problem I'm seeing with kind of superchargers. I feel like there should have been like another one kind of nearby. And I did use PlugShare to kind of see if there's any other charging, but that's literally the only thing available in this little small town. So please leave a comment about what you think. Is the Tesla supercharging not really a problem? Just charge up once a week at the mall and go get a coffee for the amount of money you're gonna save from gas, or just stick with the basics and just get another RX that's all wheel drive. So thank you so much. Let's see what the experts will think in the comments. Whoosh.